The apostrophe. How to use it? With a contraction. Look at the word apostrophe. Apostrophe. It's a combination of two Greek words, apo and strophe. Apo means from, and strophe means turning. Apostrophe means the act of turning away from something. Turning away from something. Leaving it behind. Getting rid of it. And that's exactly one of the ways that we use the apostrophe. Getting rid of things. For example, instead of saying, "Oh wow, that is a beautiful butterfly," that is can be replaced with that's. Get rid of the I in that is, and replace it with an apostrophe. Another example. Instead of writing, "You are the one that I want," you can say, "You're the one that I want." Notice how we've gotten rid of the A and replaced it with an apostrophe. Getting rid of letters and replacing them with apostrophes is called making contractions. Contractions. More examples. She is, remove the I, to make she's. Have not, remove the O, to make haven't. I will, get rid of the W and the I, to make I'll. Will not, get rid of the I and the two L's and swap the O and the N, and you'll get won't. Why did we go through that process, which is a little bit different? I mean, shouldn't the answer be willn't? Well, check out the link below for a full explanation as why we chose won't instead of willn't. One more example. Instead of writing the class of 2017, you can write the class of 17 with an apostrophe. But remember, when you're writing for a formal audience, like when you're sending an email to your boss or writing an essay for your English teacher, try to avoid contractions. Sometimes the apostrophe can make a sentence sound too casual. Do you want to arrange a meeting? Sounds much better and is more appropriate than do you want to arrange a meeting? Wanna is also a kind of contraction. It's a shortened version of want to. Congratulations, you've learned one way that we use apostrophes with contractions.